Amazon pays you for doing simple online tasks like surveys, image tagging, or data entry. It's all through their official platform called MTurk. And yes, it's 100% legit. The best part? Amazon MTurk is available in 43 countries worldwide, so people from around the globe can join in and start earning. While the platform is accessible and flexible, the earnings are modest. You won't get rich, but if you've got free time and want to earn a little side cash without any investment, MTurk might be worth checking out. Alright, now I'm going to quickly show you how to create an account on this website, how to complete tasks and earn money, and finally, how to withdraw your earnings. First, go to the website MTurk.com. Now click on Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Next, click on Request a Worker Account. At this point, you'll need to log in. You can log in using your existing Amazon email ID and password. If you don't have one, you can create a new Amazon account and log in with that. After logging in, this page will open. On this page, you'll need to enter your details. Once you've entered them, click the Create Account button. After clicking that, you'll see a message like this. Amazon will review your account and send you an invitation. You won't receive the invitation immediately. It may take a few days. Once you receive the invitation email, go to this page and click on HITS, Human Intelligence Tasks. Here, you'll see a list of tasks. Most of them are very simple. Each task will be different, and each one will have a reward amount mentioned. Let me click on one task and show you how it works. After clicking the task, you'll see clear instructions on what needs to be done. Read those instructions carefully and follow them exactly as mentioned. For example, in this task, it asks you to watch a video and write one sentence describing it. That's the instruction. If you're okay with the task, click the Accept button and complete it. That's your job. This is how all the other tasks will work too. Now, to check how many tasks you've completed and how much money you've earned, click on the dashboard at the top. In the dashboard, you'll see details about how much you earned on each day, which tasks got approved, and more. Everything will be shown clearly. Alright, now let's see how to withdraw the money you earned. Click on the dashboard again. On the right-hand side, under the Available Earnings tab, you'll see the amount you've earned. Below that, if you click the Transfer Earnings button, you'll receive an Amazon gift card equal to your earnings. You can use that on Amazon for purchases. That's it. So friends, that's the complete process. From creating your account to completing tasks, and finally withdrawing your earnings. It's a simple and legit way to make some extra money during your free time. So give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips and tutorials. Bye.